Good morning. The conversation regarding different types of concrete and concrete mixes and all the Concrete 101 basics continues today. Last couple days we've talked about slump. Today we're going to talk about admixes. So the other day we talked about the primary ingredients. It's water, Portland cement, aggregate, and I did mention admixes. And admixes is a good conversation to have following slump, because one of the most common admixes we use does impact slump, and it is a super plasticizer. And what that does is it allows us to achieve a higher slump, a more liquid mix, without using more water. I mentioned it yesterday, sometimes too much water can be a problem. It could expose us to more freezing issues, and it always exposes us to more risk of cracking through evaporation. Water is necessary, but how much water we need to achieve slump is important, and that's where plasticizing admixes come in. Some other common admixes we use impact the rate of cure. So we can put admixes in that either increase the rate of cure, which is make it cure faster, for like cooler weather environments or different circumstances where you need that concrete to kick off quickly. And we can also slow or retard the cure, slow that cure down if it's super hot day, maybe it's windy, we need more working time. We can do admixes that actually slow that cure rate down. Another common admix that we use is a corrosion inhibitor. So you know that we put a lot of steel into this concrete, and in certain environments it might be beneficial to put a corrosion inhibitor in the concrete to reduce the risk of spalling, which is where the rebar, the reinforcement bar inside of the concrete rusts, expands, and causes cracks in the concrete. Spalling is no good. And the last common admix that we use in concrete is a waterproofer. So we can actually use some compounds within the concrete mix that creates a more water resistant concrete, which is one of the admixes that we will use when we get to our radius form wall in the front of this project. Next we're going to talk about aggregates, all the different kinds of aggregates and what they're used for. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and more to come. We're still backfilling here on site, so not a whole lot to look at other than equipment moving earth. Thanks, bye.